What's up guys, Shamil here, New Auto Glass, and I'm going to be working on this Escalade. I believe it's 07, 08, something like that. Now the customer purchased the car and he said there's a leak. So I just got here, and when I go push this passenger side, it actually moves. I don't know if you see it. So it's loose. So this was replaced before. I don't know if you guys see it on the camera. This was replaced before and it didn't bond properly. So I'm gonna try to save this glass. I have a backup with me just in case. This was replaced already before, 1659 Pilkington windshield. Let's see if I could save it. If I save it, I'll just reinstall it because the glass is not broken. All right, let me set up my tools, take the wiper, cowl everything off. I'm not gonna bore you with that, and I'll get back to you. All right, the windshield is out, so whoever installed it put a sloppy bead, overlaps here, but the reason it was leaking, look, see, didn't have a bond, so the whole top, it had no bond with the glue until these corners. This is what it looks like under. The dash, it was broken already. I didn't break it, that's what it was. So I used the orange bat to take it out, but the line, it's a whole line, so it ripped right here. I had to finish it just from here to here with the express tool. But I saved the glass. So, and you can see here it's all dirty. If it's dirty like this, that means there was no bond, the water going through, and all the moisture, dirt, dust was between the glass and the glue, so it didn't really bond. That's why it was leaking. So the whole top basically didn't bond. It was a bad bond. Yeah, it's thin layer on top, wide at the bottom. There you go. So I have to clean all this up. It's an Escalade. Yeah, I was using an orange bat. I have to clean this up, put a new underside molding on it, and reinstall it. When I do a job like this, I always bring a backup just in case. But since I didn't break this, I could just reinstall it. I'm only going to charge the customer for a labor, and that's it. There you go. So Escalade. I like this truck. Very nice truck. All right, let me install it and I'll show you how it looks after it's done. All right, so Cadillac, new windshield, but look, it says FIG now. I took the glass out, I saved it, and the customer came outside, asked me how it was going. I told him I saved the glass, just gotta reinstall it. He said if I have a new one, just put the new one in. Might as well put the new one in. So I just put the new one that I have, because every time I do jobs like this, if there's a leak and I have to reinstall it for someone, because you know, whatever, this was installed by somebody in before he purchased it and they had a leak, I will always bring a backup just in case, because if I break it while taking it out, because there's always a small chance, I have a backup. And customer wanted a new one, because might as well put the new one in there. So there you go. Glass was cut out with orange bat, and then this part here, a line broke, so I finished it with the express tool, extractor. I mean, the glue that I used was an express dirty glue, and that's it. Now it should be good. Cadillac, new Auto Glass. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.